Landforms and physical processes vocabulary. Please write your name and your class period. Select the correct answer for the vocabulary term. Question number 1. A large, tall mass of rock with steep sides is a blank. It is higher than a hill. Is it A, cliff, B, plateau, C, mountain? Question number 2. Movements of the ocean's waters can occur at the ocean surface or below. Is it D, ocean currents, E, erosion, or F, volcanoes? Question number 3. Differences in precipitation, wind, temperature, and area's weather over long periods of time. Is it G, climate and weather, H, volcanoes, I, ocean current? Question number 4. The breaking down and carrying away of rock, soil, and sand. Is it J, rift valleys, K, mountain building, I, erosion? Question number 5. Match the definition with the term from the word bank on the right. Your answer choices are A, desert, B, isthmus, C, lake, D, island, E, peninsula, F, valley, G, volcano, H, plain, I, channel, and J, hill. Number 5. A sizable inland body of water. Question number 6. Body of land surrounded on 3 sides by water. Question number 7. Mountain created as liquid rock and ash erupt from inside the earth. Question number 8. A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Question number 9. A very dry area. Question number 10. Is a large area of flat or gently rolling land. Question number 11. A thin strip of land that connects 2 large land areas and is surrounded on 2 sides by water. Question number 12. Low land between hills or mountains. Question number 13. Mound of earth with a rounded top smaller than a mountain. Question number 14. Deep part of a river or other waterway. Please make sure you double check your answers and make sure your name is on it. Thank you and good luck.